I can say I've taken a permanent vacation from shaving thanks to Flash and Go.
Introducing Silk'n Flash Go Luxx. Finally, hair removal with permanent results you'll love.
I'm very, very pleased. I can honestly say that I have no hair currently in my underarms.
Pain-free, mess-free, easy and elegant. Enjoy beautiful, sexy, smooth skin everywhere. Face, bikini, legs, underarms, even toes, anywhere.
I started using the Flash and Go on my upper lip, and I think I used it maybe 6-7 times, and the hair was gone completely.
Today, we're excited to announce you can now have FDA-cleared HPL or home pulsed light technology in your own Flash and Go. Hair growth starts at the bulb. Silk'n's Flash Go Luxx gently pulses light, which travels down the hair shaft to the bulb to instantly heat and destroy its ability to regrow permanently.
What I like about home pulse light technology is that it's been proven in multiple studies to be safe and effective for removal of hair permanently.
And you can use it on your face, too.
You can use it on your face.
For my mustache?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow.
Did you feel any pain?
Not at all.
Just like that. That's it.
What do you think?
Wow.
Pain-free, mess-free, easy and elegant. Enjoy beautiful, sexy, smooth skin everywhere. Face, bikini, legs, underarms, even toes, anywhere.
I'm very, very pleased. I can honestly say that I have no hair currently in my underarms.
Enjoy beautiful, sexy, smooth skin everywhere with Silk'n Flash Go Luxx. Easy and elegant hair removal for this amazing price. Order yours right now to enjoy real, permanent results. Simply call 430-6000 to get yours. Also available at these stores and Hallmark stores nationwide.